It's not worth it. Trust me. It's not good. It's not for the price. It's not good. Trust me. It's what people are gonna charge for boxes. It doesn't make sense to buy it. You're gonna see breakers charge around $700. It's not a $700 box based on how much the cost was. Trust me, value's not there. It sucks because we like it. Yeah, no, it sucks, but it's not worth $700 a box. Origins, it's not like the thing is, it's like an illusion. The cards are really nice in Origins, but like it's not that great. Hobby will be in the store Monday or Tuesday. It's like the cards are like nice. Like I like it. It's on. That's someone asked me one of my like least favorite products. I think like Origins is like nice, but yeah, the value's not there. We'll do some hobby on release day. All right, there's a goal. We'll definitely do hobby on release. Hardy. Yeah, I'm not like a huge fan. Daniels. Pelicans. Then take your 14s of this. Nemhard. We have Jabari. We have gold. We have a good auto. We have at least one good auto. We have gold. Wendell Moore. Take your 14s. Benedict Mathurin auto. Pacers. Nice piece. And we have Tyrese Martin for the Hawks. There are gold is Sadiq Bey for the Pistons. Annoying gold. Annoying gold. And we have red. Not as annoying. This is, yeah, Nelly. Yeah, this, guys, now you're seeing why Nelly skips Pokemon. Now you're seeing it. Yep. You're seeing what I was saying earlier. Middleton blue. He's too annoying for even Pokemon. All right, where's the next phase? More gold. More gold. Told you, the golds had to fly out. Johnny Davis. Nelly, he just got out of jail a few weeks ago for tax evasion, and we're all seeing how annoying he is. So we don't even want to send him to Pokemon. We just want to send him back to jail. You weren't here earlier. I'll be honest. Then we have another goal. Koliovic. And we have Jabari Walker. Yeah, tax evasion. There's a PC, Walker Kessler. The Jazz. Nice piece. And we have rookie auto of Rollins for the Warriors. I like Spectre. They improved Spectre 3 years ago. No, Spectre's nice. We'll take Spectre. At least they have the logo, mans. How do we have 2 golds of Pistons and it's freaking Diallo and Sadiq for Bernie? Bernie doesn't want this garbage. Bernie doesn't want this garbage. Now you have a blue of Kuminga. No one's asking Nelson Lynn's opinion on pricing of products. Nelson Lynn doesn't know anything about the hobby. Zach LaVine red for the Chicago Bulls. Sweet Louie in the kill. Halfway point. See you next day. See you next day. More gold. At least the gold is flying out. Let's just hope we have the right player this time. Agbaji. We knew the gold was going to fly out. We just knew it. Ivy rookie. And we have Baldwin Jr. for the Warriors. And we have Lofton Jr. Grizzlies. And we have Roddy. All right, give us a good gold. Auto. Christian Coloco. I actually have 2 boxes just sitting over there. Maybe I'll do a PY. It's not cheap. Nemhart. Maybe I'll put that in for like Monday or something. I have 2 boxes just sitting there. Red of Niang. No, you're not the most. Yeah, you're getting there. You're up there, Nelson Lynn, honestly. All right, we said the golds are not Jay Sean Tate for the Rockets. We said the golds are coming out, and it's literally all the wrong golds. Yeah, you're up there, Nelson. You really are. You really are. Another Kuminga color. We're getting the right cards. Just the wrong players. Such a disaster. The right cards, the wrong players. Last box. Take your 14s. That's the right player on top. Could have a sweat on the auto. Could be a sweat color on the auto. Never know. There's Paolo Banchero. There's Banchero. Nice piece. There's Marjan. Yeah, there's a good auto there. We just want it to be colorful. Be colorful. Be colorful. Come on, be colorful. Rookie auto. It's not colorful, but it's Ivy. It is Ivy. Nice piece. Bernie. Bernie's on the board. And we have, oh, that's black gold. Tying, nice PC piece. Black gold auto of McGowan's. Nice piece. And we have red of Westbrook. Red of Roddy. Got Hornets next break. Disaster. Mark Williams will come out. He flies out of this stuff. Bogdanovich for the Hawks. Take your 14s. Take your 14s. It's hitting. Take your 14s. Take your full case FOTL Prisms. Take them. It's getting there. After this, the next break is full. That was actually a good break. Solid break. Solid. The next break is full.